Dialpad Business App. The pros, the cons. Dialpad Business App is a cloud communication platform combining VoIP calling, messaging, and video conferencing. Most people get this wrong if they assume it's only for phone calls. Dialpad's iPad features and integrations make it a full-scale communication hub. On the pros side, Dialpad offers voice, video, and messaging in one platform. Features like real-time transcription, call summaries, and sentiment analysis help teams improve customer interactions. It integrates with Salesforce, Slack, and Google Workspace, centralizing communication. Mobile and desktop apps allow teams to work anywhere, and its scalable pricing fits small businesses to large enterprises. On the con side, some users report occasional call connectivity issues, and advanced features are limited to higher-tier plans. Teams new to VoIP may need time to adapt to its interface. In conclusion, Dialpad Business App is ideal for organizations seeking a modern, enhanced communication platform. Its combination of voice, video, and messaging, along with Chrome integrations, makes it a versatile solution for business communication.